Hello there, my name is Allie Madison, and I'm here to talk about property taxation. Are your property taxes giving you sticker shock? The best method to fight your property taxes is with an appraisal where a certified appraiser produces a credible opinion of current market value for your house. Don't fall for solicitations from law firms, realtors, or other services saying they'll assist you in return for a high percentage of the savings on your bill. It's not worth the cost, and honestly, it's a gimmick. This process is not free and could actually cost you thousands in property tax savings. Zac Trostel, our certified appraiser, can walk you through signing up to protest your property taxes. This process is extremely simple and takes less than 5 minutes in most cases. Here's Zac to explain the tax appeal process.
I've compiled everything you need to know about how to appeal the valuation of a property and how, when, and why property taxes are levied. As a property owner and state-certified appraiser in Tarrant County, I know the most efficient method to lower your taxes is with an appraisal. But let me explain the appeal process and how to let the appraisal do most of the legwork for you. First things first, get a hold of your property value notice, which is mailed out around April 15th. If you feel your property value on your value notice is high, then it may be time to get an appraisal. The moment you have a third-party appraisal document stating your market value is lower than your property value notice from the county, then you're ready to start the process. Next, you're going to want to go to the Appraisal District website and find the Notice of Protest form. The Tarrant Appraisal District determines the value of residents' property. The property has to be taxed based on its current market value, or the price it would sell for when both the buyer and seller seek the best price and neither is under pressure to buy or sell. The valuation is based on the sales prices of comparable homes. Utilize your value notice form to find your account number and your legal description. Texas does not require property owners to disclose the price for what they sold their property, and this limits appraisal district's data. Down the Notice of Protest form a little further, you're going to want to mark your value reasons for protest. Your reasons are incorrect appraised market value, as well as value is unequal compared with other properties. Taxpayers should pay particular attention to the reason for the protest section on the form. The reason you choose for protest will influence the type of evidence you may present. Choosing the option incorrect appraised value and/or unequal appraisal will allow you to present the widest types of evidence. Scroll down the Notice of Protest form to find the hearing type. This is where you're going to have to make a choice. So show up in person and simply present the appraisal as evidence. Protesters should be on time for the hearing, avoid emotional appeals, and stick to the facts. They also should review the hearing procedures and present their information in a simple and well-organized manner. Residents will receive letters with their valuation in April and have until May 16th to appeal it with the Tarrant Appraisal District. We're now back to hearing type again. This is where you're going to have to make a choice. If you have a lower appraisal value from a third-party certified appraiser, the easiest and least time-consuming method is to mark that you intend to offer evidence by notarized affidavit. This method lets your appraisal document do the work for you, and at the same time diminishes any cross-examination to your protest. The notarized affidavit form takes no time to fill out. Simply follow the steps here on the screen recording. Residents are required to file a notice of protest with the Appraisal District Review Board no later than 30 days after the Appraisal District mailed the notice of appraised value, or May 16th, whichever comes later. The board will notify the taxpayer 15 days ahead of the date, time, and place of the hearing that you intend to offer evidence by notarized affidavit. Once again, you'll need your appraisal district account number from your property value notice. You will again be listing incorrect appraised market value and/or unequal value compared with other properties as the reasons for your protest. Scroll down the affidavit form a little further and list the number of pages in your appraisal report, which will be the evidentiary material submitted with the affidavit. Next, simply state the argument that will help resolve your protest case. The appraiser's opinion of market value came in lower than the county appraised market value. You're starting to see some redundancy here across forms as we scroll down the affidavit form a little further. Everyone has the right to protest or contest their property value. We're now back to hearing type again. Ensure you're consistent across both forms in how you intend to participate in the ARB hearing. In this case, we're marking I do not intend to appear at the hearing in person, or by telephone, or by video conference, and you intend for this affidavit and the evidence, which is the appraisal to be submitted, will indeed be used in the hearing. Time to go get the form notarized and signed. we always recommend you read over the important information at the bottom of the affidavit form. Most people may not realize or fully understand what prices are selling for now versus what they sold for in the past. And this is why we recommend a third-party appraisal from a certified professional. It's worth the $250 for the peace of mind and possible savings. I really hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video. Smash the like button if you did. If you're interested in following a real estate appraiser in North Texas on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel at Mr. Diamond Hands.